Tectonic, the future of finance. Take control of your money with Tonic. Tonic fam, Crow fam, Joven is back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. We're going to be doing a review of Tonic. It's been a while. We're going to go over it after I've been covering it for this long. We're going to go through all the great things I love about Tonic and a few criticisms that could take the project to the next level, okay? This is such a bullish project and I really want to see the success of it for its holders and everyone in the community, because you guys are really crushing it as far as the community side, and the team is putting in the work as well, but we could definitely see some improvement, right? Tonic, man, Tonic, guys, we're gonna dive deep into it in this video, and then we're gonna take a look at the chart. We're going to take a look at the Twitter and everything else, right? A tectonic shift in borrowing and lending. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant back loans instantly. This is something that could be used by the people, the whales in the stock market, the institutions, the hedge funds, the people with large amounts of wealth, and the average person as well, right? So right off the bat, the use case of Tonic can flesh out a lot of market share, and it has a lot of potential to do a potential 100x in the future just because of its use case, right? This is a very innovative DeFi use case, and you know, shouldn't be taken lightly or slept on. Instant backed loans. This is literally a new financial system. This is literally the new form of banking right before our eyes. I break it down time and time again how the old financial system is coming to a close. The DXY is completely gonna tumble. It's gonna collapse. Gold is gonna skyrocket. Bitcoin is gonna skyrocket, and altcoins, great utility altcoins, will skyrocket as well. Tonic will be one of those, powered by Cronos. Now this is the thing, because it is powered by the Cronos chain. Also remember, guys, Gary Orr with Particle B and his incubation company launched Tonic, right? So it has connections more than just, you know, anonymous team members. It has connections to big names in, you know, crypto.com and the Cronos ecosystem, because I did break it down that Gary Orr was the former CTO and co-founder of crypto.com, and he's still working with crypto.com with Particle B, his incubation company, right? And Tonic was launched through Gary Orr. You could just do a quick Google search to see that information. As the Cronos ecosystem grows, so will Tonic. Tonic will absolutely go bonkers in the future as Crow goes to $1, $2, $3. We could also take a look at that in the chart so you guys could see, as Crow absolutely expands and grows with its mass adoption use case and all the implementations in the future for it, so will Tonic as it grows with its use case, right? If you're finding value in this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys, and become a channel member to support the channel, right? We go down here, total supply $234 million, total borrowed $122 million. Great numbers. That is a lot of people using the protocol. #1 DeFi project if we check DeFi Llama on Cronos chain. You could compare Tonic to something like Av. Let's take a look at the TVL once again. I know the TVL has gone down a bit, but it's only because we're in bearish times, but it hasn't even dropped that much. It was around 250, 260 million or so. Now it's at 237 million, just a bit above VVS Finance, which is the actual DeFi swap, guys. So that is great stuff. It's only a matter of time until we start to see the Cronos ecosystems TVL start to rise once again like this and go to the billions, okay? Imagine when the total Cronos TVL goes to 10, 20, 30 billion. What will Tonic do in the future? It also had a recent update through DeFi Llama, when we check the Twitter, about all the ecosystem and the statistics and the breakdowns for you guys, right? Man, this is so bullish, right? It had so much updates. You could see Tonic flexing its utility, guys. Great stuff. Look at this breakdown right here, right? And it's right here. This is what I was saying. Who knows? Tonic could step its hand into creating its own stablecoin and get most of its TVL backed by USDC, USDT, DAI, which is another stablecoin right here. And then, you know, even that it could dip its hands into as the project develops, right? So we could have even more utility for Tonic. Come down once again, you could generate passive yield on your assets, instant liquidity at your fingertips, audited smart contracts, insurance fund, and open source. And we still have yet to see the insurance fund be unveiled. This will be such a great use case, and I wouldn't be surprised if the top names in the space and also top names in the stock market outside of the space in you know, the financial side of things take interest in Tonic because of this insurance fund. 10% of the interest paid by borrowers goes to an insurance fund used in the event that under collateralized loans are not properly liquidated. Under collateralized loans, right? So if they can't meet the collateral, this is where the insurance fund takes place, man. And it's super great to see. As the protocol develops, like I said, you'll see that huge momentum shift in Tonic. Right here, $22.8 million in market cap, 263K in 24-hour trade volume, up 0.92%, 30,719 people on the watch list. Tonic, man, in a huge accumulation phase. If it has never seen a bull market before. It launched last year. Well, it launched December of 2021, and then last year were the worst bear market, the worst market conditions that we've ever seen. I saw a lot of YouTubers, or you know, people that have been in the space since like 2016, 2017, saying some of the best protocols are the ones that were launched in the bear market. That's what they said. And I instantly a thought that came to my mind was Tonic. Tonic is one of those protocols, right? So wait until this project sees a bull market. Just wait. Just be patient, guys. I'm telling you, DCA Diamond Hand, be patient. The Tonic addresses holder numbers keeps increasing. 36,372 people on the addresses. And then if we take a look at the Tonic Twitter, once again, you know, the Tonic Twitter also is growing, guys. It is crazy to see. I remember covering this project when it was at what, 53,000 followers. Now it's at 58,700. All organic growth for the project, guys. I really do believe this protocol will have its time to shine, and you just have to stick through it and be patient. Recent updates on their Twitter, showing love to the community members, the Tectonic ambassador, Agent 00. 3 more days until they launch their, you know, their partnership and their NFT staking protocol with Chronos Cruisers, and we could expect more NFTs to be a part of the NFT staking utility. So even more utilities are being unveiled, more partnerships are being made from Tonic, right? More things are being done constantly, guys. One critique was that they could tweet more. That is a fact. They could definitely put out more tweets, be more active, you know, be more engaged with the community. Another critique is that they could definitely update the website, give the website a brand new look, a brand new shine, you know, for new people that are coming in. And you know, they could also think about, we know exchange listings will happen in the future, but maybe just give us one, you know, just to tease us, because Tonic still isn't on any other exchanges other than crypto.com and the swap, the DeFi swap, which is VVS Finance, right? So, you know, give us some more exchange listings. That would be super bullish for us. And also, you know, just keep developing and keep being engaged with the community as much as possible. But all in all, everything else checks out for the project. When we take a look at for example, Crow, because Crow, I really feel like Crow is going to go to $3 next cycle, $3-4 next cycle. People might be like, no, that's impossible, it'll only go to $1. I'm telling you, if we had the worst market conditions last year ever, the next bull market will be the biggest bull market ever. and then we're gonna have the worst crash in existence after that. I really think so. This is no laughing matter, but you know, that's when we're gonna see the full change into the economic system. The WEF, the World Economic Forum, always talking about that great reset. Where does the great reset start? What do these people focus on the most? Their wealth, their finances, right? It's all about the money, right? So a collapse in the US economy, before the collapse, we'll see a huge run in all commodity assets. That's what's going to happen. We're going to see a huge run in crypto, and then we're going to see the huge crash and then the reset that takes place, right? Take a look at Tonic and Crow. They're literally hand in hand. Crow is the big brother, Tonic is the little brother. When Crow starts going crazy, Tonic will follow. I'm telling you guys, it is just such a fundamentally strong altcoin. You just have to be patient. That's it. Ignore the FUD, be patient, and you know, diamond hand, BCA, wait for the bull. It's that simple, guys. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. You guys are the best, man. I really appreciate all the support. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become a channel member to support the channel. Go rewatch all my previous videos. Leave a like. Let's get them to 500 views, 1,000 views. Let me pull that up so you guys can see it, man. I don't know why YouTube is messing up my algorithm, man. I don't know. Take a few days off, then all of a sudden your views fall off, man. Go support all of my previous videos. There's nothing but value on this channel, guys. Let's get all these videos to 1,000 apiece, and if you can, become a channel member for future shoutouts and any other interesting information I find, I'll share with the members, guys. This is apart from, you know, anything I find, anything, I'll share it with you guys early, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.